Dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. We know in industrial system to run the different compressor or turbine, we are using gas turbine. Gas turbine, they are using the control system with GE MarkVIeS and MarkVIeS VIeS control system. It is the own controller of this GE system. Today I will discuss about the train configuration of GE control system. Most of the time of the GE engineer does not configure this one. If we need, we have to configure as per our requirement. So I will show you how can we configure a live train to analysis of the faulty system or to identify the fault of a control system or any field instrument. So dear friend, let's start. You see, it is the block of controlling a IGB of our gas turbine. Here see it is the feedback system. We are finding a problem that our gas turbine making problem. So we want to make a trend that we can easily understand where the problem is happening. For that reason, we have to identify the tag number or the point that we want to add in our trend system. By analyzing this trend value, we can understand where the fault is happening. For that, you see, I am identifying the which tag. First, I show what the problem is happening. You see, I put the command of IGB. It is coming an error. It is a high position error high. We want to find out the problem. For that, we want to make want to configure a train. First, I reset this one, and all are in the good condition. Then I put the value step by step, one by one. You see, now we go to the control system mode where you want to make a train. And the two control system, that means the G1 and the SIS control system. So we are the general electronics, that means G1 we want to make a live train. And I am showing you that the which tag I want to add in train configuration. IGB position feedback, IGB command, IGB error. So first we press the train and press the add button. You see, after your train, I press the train button. Then it said that to make the train name. I put the name is IGB test. Then press OK. And left side corner you see here is the plus sign. You see, press the plus sign and press the next button. Then it is saying the live or historical train is a live train. So we press a live train. Select live train, live, and press the next button. Then we see the system component. That means which one the controller you want to connect, G1 or the SIS. So we want to make a train in G1. So select G1 and press the next button. And in the period, scanning period, the lowest scanning period is 10 seconds, 10 milliseconds. So I send this one. Now you see, taking the press add button, and add button you want to add the tag number. So press tag number. Here you can write down the tag number if you can know this one. If you don't know, you can search from the chart. Right side is on the chart, so you can select it here one by one. So you see, I tag number, find the IG position command. I add this one. Again, you want to add another one. You press the add button. Then you can write the number of tag number. You see, we want to add the IGB command tag, IGB position feedback, IGB error, and IGB position error high. All tag we want to add this one. It is the same procedure that first you have to put the add button. Then you can find out the desired tag number that you want to add. Then press the OK button. You see, I am searching my desired tag number. In this way, you can add your desired tag number one by one. You see, IGB position feedback, I add one. Press again, you want to add another one, you can press add button. You see, it's a simple way how can we add a tag in our trend? If we can make this a trend, then we can easily understand which parameter are making or creating problem. By analyzing this one or live trend, we can easily understand. You see IGB control fail or IGB position error high, all the tag I am adding. So for I am adding all the tag that are related to the IGB control system, because I want to analyze the IGB position. All the tag is finished, or when you complete your tag number is adding finishing, then you press the finish button. Then the tag you have already select that all tag will be. Then press the record data. Then the trend will be continue until you can stop it. Then press the record button. Then say the designate controller or which controller you want to connect it. Always we have to be connected in designate controller. That is the already running controller. So we press designate button and press OK. Now you see already the trend configuration is completed, and now in the upside you see the trend is coming. That means the value is steady, so we cannot understand. Now we press the forcefully press the command. We say I have pressed the 5%, and now you can see in the tag number. You see in the trend it also up down, and in the analog value you are saying that 5% and feedback is on the 4.9519 like that one. Now I increasing step by step the command of this IGB, and we can analyze the tag, analyze the trend. If you want to add another tag in a simple way, you can also press the plus button and you can select this one and can put this one. You see, I want to add this tag number, it's the IGB position to feedback actual error. I want to add this tag number. At running condition, when the tag recorder is running, in that case we also can add another tag number. It is no problem. So I am seeing that I want to add this one. So we go to the tag number, trend, and you can press the plus button and you can put the tag number. But that means I put this one and find searching this one. That way I want to add again. You see IGB position actually I want to this one, press OK button. You see in the last one, you see the IGB actual position you already see added. Just taking some time. You see already is added in the last one. You see that the value is showing, the actual error is showing is here. Now you see, now I put the force value. Again another one I want to add this one, so you can also put the desired number. I am searching the which one my desired tag, then you can press the OK button, because in this way you can that means you can add a many tag as per a requirement that the tag is required to analyze this one. You can add a step one by one, you can add this one. At any time you can add this one, or at the first time you also all the tag you can be written in your diary or any pages, then you can add one by one, or another if you in that running condition, if you need another one, you can add this one. You see I have another one is I add this percentage. You see actual error, the IGB position to feedback actual error I have already added. Now I am increasing, but I want to clear this one to show him that the tag number, place the record data. I again start this one by the actual data I need. So I say again I start the recorded, and you see in the analog value and digital all value are showing. Now I am putting the force value. Now first I am showing press the 5% of command of this IGB, and you see command also 5%, and command feedback is 4.99. Again I am increasing this one to 8%. You see the trend I am seeing that it is showing one by one. You see the trend also increasing. You see, and already on one alarm is coming the IGB position high error. You see this is the it was before it was the false, but is now it is true, and the trend are showing in the upside corner. Now I am increasing. You see IGB position high error already come, but when I put the 8%, let's say IGB high IGB position you has already come this one. Now I am increasing this one plus 9%. You see I send this one, actual that means it is increase, and the feedback is showing 99. Again I increase this one 9.1%, and you see the you see that IGB position your high already come, it was false. Just now it is come to the true. In the trend you said that trend is go 0 to one side, that means already is increased 0 to false. Now I trend is 10%, and I want to continue this one up to 100% to see this one. You see I am increasing the command, and the feedback also is coming, and also you can this recorded are coming in the trend. You see already you can see the trend is coming. I also increase this one step by step. Now I will go to 50%, and I want to see this on the it is 50%, 50 feedback also same, nearly the 0.01% you are showing this one. Now I put 75%. You see it is also increasing, and feedback also increasing, but it is staying the as the position you are high, and higher you are staying this one, steadily showing this one. Now I put this in 90%. You see the comment and feedback also coming, and it is recorded in the trend. This trend we use to analysis about the fault one. How can you understand that why this as the position high is coming? Now I am step downing. I already put the 75%, and also the comment and the feedback are almost same, and the actual here is 0.01 or 0.07% or 0.1% like that one. You see I put the another value, then we can stop this trend and save this one for the future analysis. You see put another value, you see 25%. we making a complete trend, because we want to analyze this one from which point by which time by how many time it is taking to create the IGB fault, IGB fault position your high. So we are putting this value, defined value, or we are defining commanding, we are sending as per force value. We put 9%, but yet all the error are existing. That means IGB position your high, and high also inside you see it is existing and does not. Now we put the 0 value and reset this one. Now it is okay. Now we acknowledge all the error, and I want to show you again that if you see when the now the high that means the high error is gone at the below of 9%. When I put the 9%, the high error goes, and we put the 6%, 8%, but as the position high error existing, we reset. It's okay, but high error is existing. We put the also it is a true value, so I put the value in the 6%. Then I show the IGB high error gone. You see only high error gone. That means the IGB up to 6% it is showing the IGB after when the command value or the feedback value is greater than the 6%. It is greater than 6%. Then it is the showing the IGB high error. You see I have put the 8%, and it is showing the IGB high error come, and when the IGB set point is the 9.1%, then it is the coming the IGB position high error. So we have completely put the value and to make a complete trend for the analyzing procedure. I have so dear friend, I try to show you that now you stop this one. Now I want to stop this one and want to analyze this one. You see you see I have paused this one, but I want to stop this one. If I put the stop this recorded, then the all value will be stopped. Yes, you see it is running. Again I remove pause, resume, and it is running. I put that stop. Now recorded is stop. You see, and now I am to making zoom in or zoom out to see the complete trend. You see, it is taking some time to zoom in. You see the complete train you see here. Now we can analyze this one, which on the which time the error is come and what's the end reason. We can understand this one. You see, when we put the command beyond the 9.1%, it is saying that the value is come. It is showing the error about how much time we can put this. Now we want to save this trend. You see, here is the when the increase the command step by step, it is there also the error is come because our setting value is there 10%. Beyond the 10%, it is showing the high value. IG position your high. You see here, you see here you can understand that you can understand easily that which point are making problem, by which time, which point. I am going to showing this on the. You see here the actual error. You see actual error is, you can see is here without a configuration trend. You can understand is reaching 5%. When 5%, it is actual. You can see that means that it is 13%. That you can. It is very short time. The 13% error is coming, and the IG position is showing the high error. Without making this trend, you can easily understand. So, dear friend, I try to show how can we now can save this on white location. You can save, go to file and press the save button, and you can also take the press the number train number, and you can press save button. You can save this one and for future use. So dear friend, I try to show you how can we configure a live train in a MarkVIeS and MarkVIeS GE Controller in GE control system. I think so it is very helpful to you. If you like this one, please subscribe my channel. If you already subscribe, thank you. Also like, comment and share my video. So no more today. Assalamu Alaikum. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.